Now let's look at the site of secretion of hormones during pregnancy. So during pregnancy, if fertilization happens, a sperm will combine with the ovum and the forming of the zygote. Now the zygote would continue to undergo a series of mitosis and becomes a blastocyst and eventually an embryo. So that ball of cells will travel from the fallopian tube into the uterus wall and implant in the uterus wall. Now the implantation of the blastocyst will cause secretion of the HCG hormone. So the function of HCG hormone is in return stimulates the corpus luteum to maintain. So the corpus luteum will not degenerate. Now the corpus luteum in return continue to stimulate estrogen and progesterone. Where the function of estrogen and progesterone is to thicken the repair of uterus and maintains the endometrium wall. So that would continue to maintain the endometrium wall for the pregnancy to continue to take place. So this progesterone and estrogen during this time would also inhibit the production, inhibit the pituitary gland from releasing FSH and LH. Therefore, during the pregnancy period, there will be no development of new follicles. There will also be no ovulation happening. So FSH and LH is inhibited by estrogen and progesterone. So the corpus luteum is maintained so that the body will get a continuous supply of estrogen and progesterone that maintains the endometrium wall. Okay, so the corpus luteum would be the site, would continue, the ovary, the corpus luteum would continue to be the site of production for progesterone until at the point of pregnancy where the placenta is formed. Now, once the placenta is formed, placenta will take over the role of corpus luteum to secrete progesterone. Same goes to estrogen. So that is how the wall is able to be maintained. The endometrium wall is able to be maintained throughout the whole pregnancy. At the early phase of the pregnancy, it is secreted by corpus luteum. Once the placenta is fully formed, the placenta takes over the role. Therefore, the endometrium wall is maintained, pregnancy can take place, and also during pregnancy, there will be no menstruation happening.